A new drifter coming to the shop. Need some body work. Gonna do a new paint job. New set of wheels. Let's see what the engine looking like under this thing. MST drifter brushless. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing going. First thing first, let's get these wheels off of here. So we're trying to figure out what wheels looks better. Red, the chrome, or the white. So I'm gonna start to peel off of these wheels and I'm gonna put some of these on, see if it works. But I wanna try some street wheels and see how this thing pulls. I don't know if this is the right proper way to take it off, but it's coming off. So the wheels went on pretty good. I got two, still got two more to go. That looks pretty good. Put another set. These are old ones that came off of it. That was wore out. But we're gonna get this thing together. Play me some pan. All the wheels on, they're looking good so far. Oh yeah, I'm in the game. We went from that to that. Charged up. So we're back in the shop, Time to line them up. Time to get the Skyline up and going. The part came in. MST. We're gonna get this gas back in here. Is there anyone people recommend for different performances? Get in the comments, let me know. Hashtag charged up. Hashtag line them up. You know, putting everything back together. Get the new gear. Put the motor back in. I'm gonna probably install it on top. From the bottom, we're gonna put the motor on the top. How I've been seeing the professional drifters are. Yeah, we'll get a set of wheels on here. We'll do all that later, but we just want to get it functional and riding because we want to drive both today. You know, so line them up. So the gear is out. You see, that's pretty bad. The new one's installed. Let's go. So now that everything hooked up, let's turn it on. Connect it. Let's see if it'll run with the new motor moved on top. Let's see. You know what I'm gonna say? Line them up. So now that everything's up and going, getting the body clips in it. We see some little discrepancies as I'm turning. I'm hearing it hit the body. The back wheels need to be cut a little bit more. They're sitting on there. On both sides. So we gotta file that. Open up that little wheel back in and lower the front down some. We'll be good to go. Line them up. Finally complete. Next thing we'll be doing is the body over, new set of wheels, different little adjustments. Same over here. Ready to go. We do some upgrades, begin a new paint job, body, some lights. And then next time I'm gonna go over a little details and let everybody know about the shop. It ain't ready yet. Gotta finish the walls and stuff like that, but we be able to line them up RC shop garage right here. We have about 3-way parking with 3 cars can park here. 110 scales, receivers at the top, remotes, storage in the back. We'll be having our wheels station installed, our lifts where cars sit on. This is stage 2. You see it's built so far. We getting cars in and out the shop. These are complete. We got a lot on the board. But yeah, we looking for a marvelous project at the end. And right now we can ready be relocating so we can do set up my showroom. A couple more things I got in store that I'm gonna let people know. Stunto Fox is another one. We also Stunt Rod, Pocket Bikes Custom, Too Many Customs, gonna be doing this car painting. Too Many Customs gonna be doing all the decals and things like that. So people stay in my comments, you know, tap in, you know. I'll be getting a little bit more experience with these drifters, you know. I'm into speed and on-road cars, touring cars. I like my off-roads, but let's build a dialogue a little bit more. I see a couple people comment. Let's get together and do some RC drift nights, drag nights. That's a good idea. Let's do drift and drag night and show night. I'll be getting contact some locations. I'm here in the Georgia area, and anywhere in Georgia really. Just tap in. Let's get these things swung around like they supposed to. See the upgrades, different wheels, lights. We got the dualies. We got a lot of stuff we bringing to y'all. So line them up, RC. So we getting them in and getting them out. That's what it's all about. So this one right here, ECU caught on fire, car went up in flames. First night, burnt it up. So we're gonna be installing the new one. The caught on fire. Burnt up pretty bad. But it's pretty fast, pretty good. It's all right. We got a new one. We're gonna hook that thing back up and get it going. Then we'll have this one back out running. We're gonna wash it down, you know, clean the body off of it. But the next one in the shop, just some speed runs going. We got a new body for it. Think about putting this set of wheels on it. It might be for sale. If you're interested, get in the comments below. Get in my DM. Let me know.
The one on the left, no, that's the first one. That is GTR. Oh, that's a GTR, boy.
Skyline.
Oh, yeah. I know her. Y'all the one that take pics and shit, huh?
Yeah.
Why you ain't got no...
Get right. First time out. That's how you do. We're gonna line them up. We're gonna take the beer. We're gonna versus the 450.
Come in.
3S versus 450. Let's go. Let's see.
We're gonna go but pass it right here. I think passing that trailer on the left side. That's about it. So we're gonna go pass it to the angle right there. Fucked up. I'm just gonna get that scripture. I ain't like
Ready?
around his shit.
Ready? Set, go.
That is a no-go.
Oh, we love it at the lot. Line them up, RC. Let's go. 450 work. Stand still. Going up. Circle. Drift business. The boys is all out here.